What's up, Riot Gang? Today I'm back with another video. Oh. As you guys see what I got in my hand, I got a red jumbo slime. So guys, in this red jumbo slime, in this video, I will be microwaving. Okay, I gotta feed my cat, but guys, I'm about to wash my hands. Here it goes, paper towel in the wash. What, Chris? I'm about to give you some food, okay? Hey, I fed you this morning. I gotta get fed twice. Okay, guys. So, guys, I'm putting some soap in my hand. Putting some soap in my hand. Putting some soap in my hand. Even you, girl. Guys, tomorrow I will be doing a vlog of me going to school. I can feed you goddamn 40 seconds. Wait, let me see if you got food. Go ahead, go. Okay, guys, so today I will be microwaving this slime. Psych, I won't be not. I only asked if I could microwave slime. Do you guys like my hair? So, guys, I haven't posted no video yet, I think. So, I'm hungry. What should I eat, guys? So, I'm gonna find a container for this. And, yeah. Because I need to literally find a container for the slime. Because, like, that slime is now Red Velvet. Red, not Ved. I just talk weird. So, guys, some people ask me, do you have a crush? No. I used to, but now he's still my best friend. Because we made up. He made up because he was kind of upset. So, I just said bye to him on the last day of school, and I never came back. And he misses me really much. I miss him too. I miss basically all my friends, because I just want to see them. And some cookies. Yeah. What else? Damn. It's nothing. Let me get some milk. Guys, in the comment section, say happy birthday to my grandma. Even though her birthday not until tomorrow. Oh, there go my cup. Shout out to Priscilla for giving me that cup. No, Priscilla and her mom for giving me that cup for her 10th birthday. And thank you for inviting me. So, guys, I'm going to put some milk in here. I got some white milk. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's pasta. Let me get one more cookies. I love cookies. Some people were like, what's your phone name? Guys, if you know it, comment down below, because I told you guys before. So, it's no point in asking me if you already know. So, you guys already know my phone. Bruh. My cat gonna look it up. I know her. I know my cat. She gonna look it up. Craig, look it up. She gonna look it up. Watch her fat self do it. Do it, Chris. Do it, Chris. Watch when I walk away. She gonna look at that milk and then she gonna be like, ooh, let me have some. Go ahead. Alright, I'm gonna clean it up then. Guys. So I gotta clean this up. Cause she don't want it. Even if I put it close to her, she gonna smell it and then run away. She is the worst. I was just gonna let her have some milk, even though she's not allowed to have no real milk. No, well, she is allowed to have milk. She only allowed to have it when somebody's spilling it. So, guys, comment section if you guys want me to do a video going on an app and ask me people to rate me on 1 to 10. Psych, because I'm gonna have to ask. Okay, guys. So, oh my God, my legs hurt. You guys should have saw what I did to my legs. Well, guys, I will be doing a part 2. Love you, Nee. Love you, Chloe. Love you, all my besties. Love you, Bree. Love you, Il. And love you, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Love you, guys. Ho, ho.